Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your Algebra 1 final. First, gather all your materials, including notes, quizzes, and tests, to ensure you have a complete set of resources. Next, identify the major topics and concepts that will be on the exam, focusing on areas like linear equations, inequalities, and polynomials. Finally, create a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour to each major topic to manage your time effectively and reduce stress. To master core algebra concepts, begin by reviewing fundamental operations with real numbers, including fractions, decimals, and integers. Next, dedicate significant time to practicing solving linear equations and inequalities, which often appear in multiple forms on the final. Ensure you understand function notation and how to accurately graph various types of functions, as these are critical components of Algebra 1. Aim for at least 20 practice problems in each area. For effective practice, work through a wide variety of problems from your textbook, worksheets, and any available practice finals. Don't just find the answer. Focus on understanding the step-by-step reasoning behind each solution. This approach helps solidify your comprehension. Identify your weak areas by tracking incorrect answers and dedicate at least 30 minutes of extra practice to those specific topics, perhaps completing 10 additional problems. On the day before your exam, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep to be well-rested and alert. On exam day, eat a healthy breakfast to maintain focus and energy throughout the test. During the exam, read each question carefully, sometimes twice, to fully understand what is being asked. Always show all your work, even if you are unsure of the final answer, as this can earn you valuable partial credit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.